LV for your follow. I hope I can communicate very well, but I cannot communicate very well. I'm gonna follow you back. Low. Thank you for participation. Charot. Boss. Boss Pat, shall we boss Pats? Hi, Sim. Kuya Joker, di mo ako pinapollow back? Grabe ka naman, Kuya Joker. Hi, Jamal. Paano matulog ang bulag? Wala, hindi ko alam. Hindi nakapikit. Hindi nakahiga. I speak very well. But I'm not very fast. And my accent is not very good. Is it right? It's not very good. It's not, it's not, how do you say it? It's not perfect. Like Filipino accent. It's very, how do you say this? How do you say this accent? It's like so crispy. Crispy. I don't know the word. It's so strong. It's like this. It's hard. Do people there speak like this? Yeah, really. Is it normal? Will like Elmer? Am I bad? I see. Because here in the Philippines, like if you don't have a right grammar, if you don't have a perfect sentence, they will judge you. They gonna judge you. Like if you mispronounce something, they will laugh at you. They will call you dumb. They will call you uneducated. But I believe most people here in the Philippines can actually speak English. May kotse at kainan man namaga yung kotse sa puno. Alin ang may kapinsalaan. Ang lalim naman yan, Kuya Joker. That's very, very deep. May kotse at Ano yan? Kainan ba? It's very, very well. E di yung kotse. Everywhere you know. As long as we understand each other. Kasi siya yung bumangga, sa kanya yung damage. 87. Saturn. Bakit naman? Anong sagot? Yummy, papa. Strand. Hi, Chip. Bakit yun? For psychology ako. I can read you all. I am a psychology student. I'm just observing. I'm just observing you all, how you type messages. Super satar. Yes. What do you mean, tayo? Hi, Tolliver. Hi, Zach. Huh? Mommy, tell me. Like, I observe how you talk, how you speak, how you type. I observe all of it. Ah, diba? Ginawa pa akong psychic. Baka kala mo may superpower kami. Naiinis ako kapag ganyan. Kapag sinabi mo yung course mo, sasabihin mo psychology, tapos sasabihin, sige nga, basahin mo yung utak ko. Anong malay ko sa utak mo? Iniisip niyo, marunong kami magbasa ng utak. Do you even know what psychology is? Don't read minds, guys. It don't. Kasi yung kaina ang may salaan ng coffee. Ewan ko kung may joke. Hi, Kwang. Like, that's the biggest misconception in psychology. Do you know the definition of psychology? It talks about human behavior, like how you observe human behavior. Si Jack Jack ba to? Ay, hindi. Iba to. Ay, hindi. Iba pala to. Namimiss ko na si Jack Jack. Nasaan na kaya si Jack Jack? I miss you all. It reads behavior, not the mind. Hi, Renzi. Travis. Hi, Ren. Ciao sa'yo. Long time. I'm back. JP, sorry. Okay lang. Goods lang. Pwede na. Pwede na bumalik. Pagod na sa buhay. Quick live lang to. Kasi matutulog na ako. Walang 16 dito sa Vigo. Mababan. Akagi, Shawi. Yan dyan.